Welcome guys to Crypto Secrets and I'm Wing. So welcome guys. Alright. So as you can see here from the Bitcoin chart, this is the daily chart. Alright, we got a fantastic week last week. So I've gone from all the way from around 39,000. Now we are currently sitting at 47,200. Fantastic. But the most important thing is that we have actually broken through this red line. I've spoken about this red line last week, right? Being a very important resistance line. Alright, so we actually broke past this. So the next level that we are looking into is this red line, is 52,000. It's been a fantastic week with Bitcoin, and we shall go through about the updates and news with Bitcoin and why I am very bullish on Bitcoin. So this is another technical chart. This is the weekly chart on Bitcoin, and as we can see now, this is the important thing down here. Look, you guys can look at my cursor. So we have a golden cross on the MACD over here on the weekly chart, and as well as a fantastic candle here. Last week we had a great candle pushing past this resistance line. So in terms of technicals, Bitcoin is looking fantastic as well. So what about the fundamentals? So let's discuss. Now, this is the front page of Goldman Sachs, and you can see what these guys are up to. They are talking about digitalization. They are talking about cryptocurrencies. Right? 1 year ago, Goldman Sachs has been a massive critic, massive fudder of Bitcoin. They don't support Bitcoin at all. And in just 1 year time, that's like a 180-degree switch from being anti-Bitcoin to going all in to Bitcoin. Alright. Another great news last week is this one. Alright, this is Rio de Janeiro allow paying taxes with crypto starting from 2022. Fantastic news. So this, why is this kind of news important, is that it's actually driving more adoption, meaning more and more people will actually be exposed to crypto and will be buying more crypto. Right, let us move on. Another fantastic news is that Florida governor says state open to accepting taxes in crypto from businesses. Another great news, meaning that states and countries in the world are adopting Bitcoin like we have never seen before. We've never seen this in 2017, 2013 during the previous bull runs. So this year around it's different. All right, we are seeing a mass adoption in countries, in states. It's fantastic news. All right, and with all this fantastic news, that is why Bitcoin's price has been slowly inching upwards. Now another fantastic news is Russia is considering accepting Bitcoin for oil and gas. So that is massive news, because previously oil has been, we've been using the USD as the fiat, de facto fiat currency, right, in the world. And now Russia is considering using Bitcoin to replace payments in oil and gas. Another huge news. Now, besides that, we need to consider two sides of a coin, of course. So we have a few more negative news. From here, India actually passes a very stiff crypto tax law despite industry uproar. So they are actually giving a 30% crypto tax. Well, that is crazy tax. But anyhow, this is actually something good as well, because the country is actually accepting cryptocurrency as a form of investment. All right, and that's actually legalized this crypto, except the fact that they're actually putting a lot of tax on crypto. So it's a good start. All right, next. All right, I think in my previous video I've talked about Malaysia, considering adopting Bitcoin legally tender. So in this news, Malaysia will not adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. So we have fantastic news as well as a little bit of more negative news on Bitcoin. But as a whole, Bitcoin is here to stay, all right, and therefore is actually one of the best hedge against inflation. So with the inflation going up so crazily in this year itself, especially as you can see from the US, crazy inflation numbers. So where else can we put money? Not in gold, right? Bitcoin is the answer. All right, so having said all this, having getting an update on a general crypto market this week, let us move on to the more juicy stuff in this video. This is what you guys are waiting for, so make sure you guys to keep on watching. So now Bitcoin has actually pumped really hard past 1 week, all right, being up for more than 10%. That is fantastic. So what is my next plan? Now that is a very important question, all right, for those people who are new to the game. All right, you maybe you are seeing that, oh wow, Bitcoin has pumped hard, maybe I should just start buying Bitcoin. But in my personal opinion, that is definitely not the best way, because that's actually pumped up a lot, and I do expect a small pullback before going to the next leg going upwards. So what can be done? Well, I've actually mentioned dollar cost averaging. You can buy just Bitcoin every week, just put in $50 and just invest consistently. That would be a decent plan. But a disclaimer as well, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you guys do your own research or consult a financial advisor. Whatever I have presented here is for educational, or it's to kickstart, to give you an idea on how to invest and what to invest. So now, what is my next plan? For me personally, I have been doing, constantly buying Bitcoin, doing the dips, constantly dollar cost averaging. So I'm really happy with my bag in Bitcoin and other, really good layer one projects like Ethereum, like Solana, Cardano. But at this stage, what do I want to invest in? All right, I would want to go into projects with good fundamentals, all right, and those that have updates coming. So if you want to buy crypto, especially the smaller cap cryptos, they actually move based on rumors and news, all right, and also projects that are progressively still building, still developing despite the price drop. And lastly, of course, all this news needs to be supported by technical charts as well. So the good stuff is coming. I'm going to share with you guys 3 coins that I feel that will have a massive run up, all right, in the next few weeks, provided that Bitcoin continues its strong uptrend. All right, let's discuss. So now the first project that I'm going to discuss is a project called Gaia Everworld. So Gaia Everworld is a triple A, play to earn game. Right? It is a play to earn game. It has features, metaverse features. It runs on Unreal Engine, so it has fantastic graphics. So maybe I'll do a separate video to review on this coin. But why am I so interested in Gaia Everworld? So firstly, we take a look at this chart. Right, at this all-time high is like $1.40. That's retraced all the way down to 3 cents, 3.5 cents, and now as you can see it's making a slow and steady rise with fantastic volume over here. So in terms of technicals, it seems ready, to just shoot up, and you can see this blue line here is our 200 moving average. So it's just hovering around there, just wanting to break out. So if it breaks out from this blue line, we can expect it, right, to go all the way up to here, maybe 33 cents based on our Fibonacci retracement, right? So our level 0.33 level Fibonacci, and if it continues to rally, we can expect the next price target to be about 55 cents. It's fantastic. So another news that can support Gaia Everworld is that the land claim for Gaia is actually going to be out in about a week on the 4th of April, and the alpha version of the game will be launched next week as well on the 4th of April. So those are fantastic and strong news, coupled by Bitcoin climbing up and this fantastic, technical breakup possibility. So this is a coin that we need to keep an eye on. All right. So moving on, the next I would like to discuss is Sidus Hero. Again, Sidus Hero is a play to earn game and is actually a space-based game, web-based game, fantastic graphics, as well as it's something like a role play sort of game already in its beta launch, so you can actually play the game, you can actually earn, and you can actually get NFTs from playing the game. So it has also retraced crazily, phenomenal, from the top of almost 20 cent at the top here, now it to the bottom of 1.8 cents, so a 10x down. So now it's trying its best to crawl up, and technically we still have a strong resistance at this blue line at the level of about 4 cents. So anyhow, even if this breaks out, we expect a juicy 2x gain from our current levels, and if it manages to break up, we will probably see 8 cents as the next target, which is fantastic gains. So why this project is because this project has fantastic fundamentals, great tokenomics, as well as the game has been developing non-stop since its launch and has been having more and more players every single day. So this project is one I would keep an eye on, and perhaps I will do a review on Sidus Hero as well as a future video. Now last but not least is Polygon or Matic. Now I think everyone knows about Polygon, right? It is Polygon or Matic is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, because gas fees on Ethereum has been crazy. So Polygon greatly reduces the gas fee, and also it has a fast transaction speed. So it has been hit quite bad from the highest almost $3, retraced all the way down to about $1.02, about 3x down. And as you can see here, we have this red trend line, a downtrend line. It had the price has actually broke through this trend line, broke through this blue line. All right, our blue line is our moving average, our 50-day moving average, and also broke through our 200-day moving average. So in terms of technicals, fantastic. We have a candle here, day candle above the moving average. So if the price is well supported at this $1.6, we can expect an uptrend, right, all the way to $2 and back to its all-time high. It's a possibility. So in terms of technical, it is fantastic, and also in terms of fundamental, during its few months of downtrend, Polygon has actually invested a large amount of money to further improve their layer 2 solutions. They have been investing in something called a ZK swap. So ZK swaps is like a layer 2 solution, some sort of technology which enables a zero fee transactions through the blockchain. So I'll talk more about Polygon next time, so do keep an eye, because this guy also has great potential. So that is all on my video today, and this video has been a bit longer than my previous video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I've shared a few coins that I feel has great potentials, and hopefully Bitcoin will continue its uptrend. All right, continue its uptrend, and of course when it continues uptrend, it will bring all the other cryptos up as well. So with that, make sure to like and subscribe my video for more interesting crypto contents. Signing out, guys.